Hi guys, Ron here again. So in this video, I'm going to describe how I resolved the problem of water dripping out of one of my indoor units on a split AC system. Now I should point out that this is for the problem of water dripping out of an indoor unit on a new install. If you've been running your AC for quite a while and then after a while it starts dripping, this is not the solution. This basically deals with a problem right from the onset. Those of you who watched my video on installing this split AC system know that 4 identical 12,000 BTU per hour indoor units. The other 3 work absolutely fine without any issues at all. Okay, so here you can see on the water condensate line coming out, I created a little seal. So I purposely dropped the flex hose coming out of the air handler down low and then back up. So I have a little liquid seal to keep the air handler from sucking air back, and in so doing, also bringing droplets of water. All right, so it still was dripping out of the air handler. So we got a really long, almost horizontal run. It does slope downhill the entire way, but it's pretty close to horizontal. So maybe getting a little back pressure there wouldn't take much. So I put a little vent line after the P-trap. And I'm hoping that that changes the pressure profile enough to stop the leaking. Okay, so here you can see the indoor unit is on, and it's blowing cold air, and there's no water dripping out of this unit. This unit has been on for a little bit, and I'll take you outside now. I'll show you the water is coming out, but it's coming out where it belongs. So here you can see the water's coming out where it's supposed to, down at the end of the drain line, and got a pretty good flow of water. All right, now that we know the system works and we don't have leaks, I'll insulate the little fittings I put on there so we don't have condensation and water dripping down up here. And here you can see I've insulated everything that I put on, and there's no condensation of the air around the line, and everything's nice and dry. So all the water's coming out and going where it belongs. So as I said, everything is working fine, getting good cold air and no water coming out of the indoor unit. However, if I were to do this again and it was a new install, I would increase the diameter of that long pipe going from the indoor unit to the outside. If there's a minimal amount of drop available, I think a larger diameter pipe would have taken care of it. So instead of the 1/2 inch PVC, I would have gone to at least 3/4, maybe even 1 inch PVC, and I think that would have done the same trick as hitting a vent line. All right, till next time.